the high-rise elevators. Ah, this one. These are the high-rise elevators. We might stop. Let's see if we can. Oh, we could go up. We're probably gonna stop on L. Yeah, here we are. Easy. Oh. Which one? Which floor? Phone placement's different on this one. That's not that good. Indicator keeps on doing that glitch. We got a bottle cap on this one. Might stop. Let's see. No, there's no sign of a brand. Really bumpy. What's the button go out? And then I'm not gonna press any buttons, just watch us go up to L. Oh, and I'm moving. Alright, we'll go to L. The thing really likes saying easy for some reason. Oh, there's actually nobody here. Oh, that one showed up. Where'd that one come from? Anyways, that's it.